Hey my Harmonies, in today's video I'm going to be walking you through my cozy feminine shower routine. It's simple but yet very luxe, with achieving a healthy scalp, soft skin, and smelling good all day. Usually for my wash days, I always start off with my hair first. I'm going to be using my magnetic scalp brush from Innerneed, and it's honestly one of my favorite tools for my wash days, especially with my curls. The bristles are soft, flexible, and they glide through my curls without snagging or breaking the pattern. It lifts all that buildup that my curls tend to hold, like the oils, gels, edge control, creams, and it helps my shampoo get all the way down to my scalp. It also spreads the lather evenly so my curls stay smoother and more defined while I'm cleansing. I also want to mention that it has a built-in magnetic core. When I bring a little metal pin near it, it sticks. The magnetic pull gives the scalp a soothing, relaxing stimulation while you massage, which feels amazing on curly hair that needs a little extra care and circulation at the roots. It's ergonomic and it fits really comfortably in my hand, so you can focus on massaging the scalp without disturbing the curls too much. It keeps everything cleaner, softer, and healthier on wash days. And of course, this brush is from Amazon, and I'll have it linked down below with everything else I'm using. Next, I like using a hair mask on wash days because it adds back moisture and keeps my curls soft and hydrated. Curls naturally dry faster, so a mask helps reduce frizz, define the curl pattern, and keep everything smooth and bouncy. It also makes the hair easier to detangle and protects the strands from breakage, especially after styling during the week. Then I'm going to let the mask sit in my hair for about 15 minutes. Next, I'm moving on to the face. This is the silicone brush from Innerneed, also from Amazon. It's made with soft food-grade silicone, so it's gentle enough even if you have sensitive skin. The tiny bristles help lift away sunscreen, makeup, oil, or any residue while still feeling really smooth on the skin. It's also much more hygienic than washcloths or cotton pads since silicone doesn't trap moisture or bacteria. This one also has a magnetic core inside that gives a soothing stimulation while you cleanse. After rinsing, my skin always feels refreshed, clean, and a lot softer. Next, I'm going in with my current body wash with using my body brush. The Innerneed silicone exfoliating body brush has been such a game changer in my shower routine. The bristles feel gentle on the skin but still give that perfect soft exfoliation, and it makes your body wash foam up so nice. Even a little product turns into a rich lather. And just like the others, this one has a magnetic core inside as well. You'll see how it reacts in the clip. It gives the skin a relaxing stimulation while you're cleansing, which feels so good on the arms, legs, and chest. Since it's made with food-grade silicone, it dries quickly, stays clean, and it lasts way longer than a loofah, so no trapped moisture, no bacteria buildup. It keeps the skin smooth, soft, and really fresh. Next, it's time to shave, and I love using a shaving oil. Shaving oil creates a silky layer that helps the razor glide effortlessly, reducing tugging or pulling on the skin. It also softens the hair and skin, which helps reduce irritation, razor burn, and ingrown hairs, especially in sensitive areas. There's no dry feeling and the skin stays smooth, glowy, and moisturized. Once the 15 minutes are up, I'm just rinsing out my hair with cool water. Now look how clean and defined my curls look. And look at my scalp as well. It's super clean because of the silicone scalp brush. This is the last step for my current wash day hair routine, and I'm just going to be adding conditioner. Using conditioner after using a hair mask is so good for the curls because it adds slip, reduces frizz, softens the strands, and keeps the curl pattern hydrated and defined. I love using the magnetic scalp brush to work it through my curls. It helps detangle gently and spread product evenly, and it really lets my curls absorb the moisture. I'm gonna let that sit in my hair for about 15 minutes while I go ahead and exfoliate my skin. Lastly, for my shower routine, I'm going to be using the exfoliating attachment that comes with the silicone body brush. I love using this part, especially after I shave. It gives the skin a gentle polish without irritation. It helps smooth out any roughness, removes leftover shaving oil or residue, and keeps the skin soft so you don't deal with that dry, tight feeling after shaving. This attachment also helps prevent ingrown hairs by lightly exfoliating the surface of the skin so everything stays smooth, even, and really soft. Using all three of these underneath brushes together has become such a big part of my current shower routine. The scalp brush, the facial brush, and the body brush all work differently, but they really come together to make everything feel cleaner, softer, and more refreshed, while being super affordable as well. If you want to check out any of them, you can find the links for all three down below. And thank you so much to Interneed for sponsoring today's video. And to finish off my night, I'm just doing my skincare, keeping everything simple, hydrated, and fresh before bed. If you guys stayed here towards the end of this video, let's comment a pink heart emoji and like this video and subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. And I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.